Hello, welcome to the mock analysis, part 2 of the mock analysis. And in this video, we are just going to show you how to generate results or report from the mock analysis. Part 1, we learned or we, 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 we learned about in the lesson 1. So let's launch our report card. So when you launch it for the first time, you will see this. Opening this document will run the following SQL command. Select from master sheet and all that, blah blah blah. Okay, let me say no and see what happens. Okay, so I've already run this, but you haven't run it. Okay, that is why I'm having some kind of data over there. But when you take a look at it, you see that I don't have the full data because I have not run this from the source, from where I have my data sitting. Okay, so when you get this, these are the changes you can make over here. Listen to me very carefully. You can make changes to this area, Kenya Education Service, your district, your circuit, and your school. You can make changes over there. Here, you can't make any changes to any of the data we have over here. Just leave them like that, because any change you make over here will appear for all the students. If you have 100 students, you make one change over here and that change will appear on all their reports. There are some formulas over here that you need not to temper. If you temper anything over here, apart from what I have shown you, you are going to have some errors on their report. You're going to have some errors on their report. So the only place we can make change is this place. Okay? Well, now let's scroll down. Let me show you something over there. This area is for the head. After printing out, the head will just have to stamp and sign. Put the stamp over there and sign. Okay? Now, what's next? The next thing we are going to do is that we are just going to pull the results from the Excel master list. From the Excel master list. This is the overall aggregate. I didn't show you this in the part 1. This is the overall result aggregate. So you see, this person's aggregate is 21 based on the entries that we made inside there, and this person's aggregate is 25. So when you put in all their results based on the mocks and the marks that they had, it's going to give you the overall aggregate. It will just accumulate, or it will just going to accumulate English, Math, Science, Social Studies, and take other 2 best electives and add it to English, Math, and Social Studies and use it for the grading. That's how it works. English, Math, Science, Social Studies, 2 best electives, and to be added, making 6 for the grading. So when it comes to the dashboard, they're down there. You see the various students, their names, and the grade, their overall grade that they have over there. And the master list, the grade over here is what you are going to fetch, or what you're going to send you to the master list automatically. And we are not going to do anything. We're just going to call the grade from Excel, and Excel is going to provide with us all the grade we have over here on the chart in the Microsoft Word. Okay. All right. So as we have this over here, let me close this and relaunch it again. Let me make sure that data I entered here have been saved. Let me minimize it and then go back to the report card. Go to no, and then now listen to this very carefully. You are going to go to mailings, go to add, select recipient, go to use an existing list, click. Now what are we going to do? We are just going to look for where we saved our Excel sheet, that Excel file. Where is it located? Mine is on my desktop, so I just have to go to my desktop, look for where I have put that kind of files. Mine is in my SBA folder, so I'll just open this folder. You have to look for where you have saved or where you put that file and search for it. So St. Paul's Methodist mock analysis. I will just open it, select it, and then open it. Okay. Now, where are we going to get the marks from? We are going to get the marks from the master sheet. The master sheet. So we select the master sheet and then we click OK. What happens? Let's wait. Good. So you see, we have this how the mailings work. So we are just going to preview it and see the actual work. That is, let's say you can see that that was the back end, the back end and the front end. Okay, the back end doesn't look nice, but the front end looks very nice. I hope you understand. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, we just have to make changes to this. If you don't, if the information you want to update it, just have to make changes. The rest you don't make any change. Hope you understand. So the index number that we have on the Excel sheet for that particular student has appeared. Name of the student, then the mock type of examination, and then school is there. I hope you get it. You get it? Okay. So let's move on to the second person. The second person. Now let's move on to the second person. The second person index number is here. The name is here, but the examination we didn't enter. It is not there. It has not come because you've not entered over there. Do you understand? And then the various marks that they obtained and their grade is also the grade of that particular student is also here. I hope you get it. So we just have to print out and then now what happens? How do you print it? You can just print this one by one. You understand? You can just print this one by one. You go to Control P to print. Print for this particular student. Okay, it will just print for this particular student. But if you want to do bulk printing, this is what you have to do. Come to Finish and Merge. Click. Go to Print Document. Then, how many students are you printing? How many students do you have? Do you have 60 students? Do you have 10 students? You just have to come to the range from maybe first person to maybe the 10th person. Okay, first person to the 10th person. Then okay, understand? And you select the printer type. If you want to save it into PDF, you just have to come and select PDF. You print to PDF, and then you are good to go. Okay, it will just allow you to then come to okay. Just allow you to save the file into PDF or save the file to PDF. Let's say mock 1. Okay, where are we saving this file to? We have saved this file to SB mock 1. Okay, alright. Now printing page 0 of in blah blah blah. When it finish saving, this pop-up or this dialog will just vanish, and we can go to our SBA thing and then access what we have. Okay, now let's go there and see. Let's go there and see if everything we've done is working alright. So we have come here and mock. Let's open it and see. Mock. It will open with PDF, and as it has already shown us, you see we have them over here. So PDF of all the students from first person to 10th person has now been saved to PDF that we can print. We can print manually for them. I hope you understand. So basically, this is how you can also generate report card from the mock analysis Excel sheet on Microsoft Word, and then save it or convert it to Microsoft Word. You can also save it one by one, print it one by one, and then maybe send it to the parent through WhatsApp or some other medium that you want to send it through. Okay, so basically that is how it works. As simple as ABCD. So please go through, take a critical look, give it attention, give it time, watch it over and over, understand it, and start using it. This is just a simple way of assessing your kit, reducing stress, and make your work very interesting. Thank you for watching. Please, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends. Any platform that we have with teachers, just share. Let them also have access to this platform. Let them also know this. Let them have it and use it to help them to reduce stress and other things, minimize mistakes, errors, and all that. Thank you. God bless you. Subscribe and bye bye.